Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Respected Ustad and my dear friends. In this auspicious occasion, I would like to share the few words about the topic, the laugh. The people, they are speaking together with their friends. And if they will be saying anything, they will be sharing two words together. And if there is there any more fool, they will be laughing as shouting. But we should understand here the real humanity of people, of laughing. Islam teaches that should be smile. We no need to laugh. That is not our business. Because everything Islam is teaching to us, so that the proper people, they will never shout and laugh in their lives, but they will be smiling with nice words while sharing a few words or anything with their friends, or any other time they will be speaking. And if there are any content, they will be not shouting, and they will be only smiling there. We should be like that. Then only the social world will turn to us. If that is our life attitude, should be like that, then only the world will be looking to us. They will be thinking, yes, he is a man who is living as a proper human in his life. That's why we need the proper life, and like that our lifestyle will be giving more motivations to all of the people. Because our life, we should think, and we should be in a proper way. We can look all around the peoples in this earth. They should be in nice and perfect way. Their life will be very styleful life. That's why we need the proper life. He will be never more laughing in his life than only smiling. That is the good attitude. With these words, I like to conclude. Assalamu alaikum.